This week I will show you how to adjust yourself when you have sciatica. Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko and it's time for Mustache Monday. This week I will show you how to adjust your body yourself when you're having sciatica. I will be following the steps found in this book called Instant Adjustment, written by Dr. Shigemitsu Sasaki in Japan. Sciatic nerve is the longest nerve in the human body that starts from the lower back and runs in the back of your thighs to the knee. Then it splits for the lower leg. Usually, a sciatica pain shows up in either right side or left side along with the sciatic nerve. A sciatica pain is caused by a disturbed nerve due to a bulging disc or herniated disc. The pain can also be caused by tight glutes muscles in the buttocks. If the pain is caused by bad circulation constricted from the tight muscles, this exercise will help loosen those tight muscles and improve circulation to alleviate the pain. During the exercise, you will lift up your foot off the floor 5 centimeters or 2 inches. If you don't have anyone around to help you measure, have something to gauge the height. I use this box to feel how high it is since one side was about 2 inches. Don't do this if this exercise causes any pain. Lie on the floor on your stomach with your head turned to whichever is more comfortable. Keep your legs straight. If you have a pain on the right side of your body, open your right leg 45 degrees to the right. Keep your legs straight. Lift your right foot 5 centimeters or 2 inches off the floor. From the hip joints, turn your entire leg outward. It looks clockwise if you see it from the bottom. The big toe will move towards the center line just a little bit. Hold it for 5 seconds and drop it on the floor. Take 3 normal breaths and repeat 2 more times. Lift your foot off the floor. Turn the entire leg from the hip joint. Hold it for 5 seconds and drop. Take 3 breaths and do 1 more time. Lift your foot, turn the entire leg, hold for 5 seconds and drop. If you can't hold it for 5 seconds, do shorter length. If you can't lift up your leg at all, just make an effort as long as it doesn't cause any pain. If you have a pain on the left side, do the same on the left side. Open your left leg 45 degrees to the left by keeping your leg straight. Lift your left foot 5 centimeters or 2 inches off the floor. From the hip joints, turn the entire leg outward. It looks counterclockwise if you see it from the bottom. Hold it for 5 seconds and drop it on the floor. Take 3 normal breaths and repeat 2 more times. Lift your foot off the floor, turn the entire leg, hold it for 5 seconds and drop. Take 3 breaths and do 1 more time. Lift your foot, turn the entire leg, hold for 5 seconds and drop. I hope this is helpful for your sciatica pain. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell.